Have you ever wondered why your friend seems to eat pizza every day and never gains a pound, while you just look at a dessert and your jeans feel tighter? What if I told you it's not just about willpower or calories, but something deeper, coded into your very DNA? Today, we're unlocking the secrets to your true body type and why no diet will ever work unless you figure this out first. Ready for the truth? Let's dive in. There are three main body types: ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph. Forget the fancy terms for a minute. Think of them as three different car models. Each moves differently, uses energy in its own way, and needs a unique approach to fuel and maintenance. Ectomorph, the sleek sports car, long, lean, and built for speed. Mesomorph, think SUV, muscular, balanced, and powerful. Endomorph, the reliable truck, sturdy, strong, but may need a little more effort uphill. Everybody has a combination of these traits, but most of us lean toward one dominant type. Ectomorphs, physically, slim frame, narrow shoulders and hips, long limbs. You might hear people call them hard gainers. Metabolism, fast like a furnace. They burn off calories incredibly quickly. Remember your high school friend who could eat 3 hamburgers at lunch and still be skinny as a rail? Classic ectomorph. Gaining weight, putting on muscle, sometimes feeling skinny fat. Mesomorphs, physically muscular, naturally broader shoulders, narrower waist. They typically look athletic even without training. Metabolism, efficient. Not too fast, not too slow. Goldilocks would approve. The person who tries a new workout and suddenly has biceps after 2 weeks. It seems unfair, right? Common struggles, sometimes complacency. Since results come easily, plateaus may set in. Endomorphs, physically rounded body, wider hips and waist, can easily store fat. They often look strong and solid. Metabolism slower, energy is stored more readily as fat. Someone who says, if I miss a week at the gym, it shows. Often works hard to maintain balance. Why body type matters. Now, why does knowing your body type matter? Imagine you're prepping for a road trip. Would you use the same gas or maintenance for a sports car, an SUV, and a truck? Of course not. Your body type dictates how you process food, build muscle, and respond to exercise. Many of us fall into the trap of copying our friends' diets or workout plans, then get frustrated when we see zero results. The truth? One size does not fit all. Here's the twist. No diet will ever work if it ignores your body's unique blueprint. Maybe you've cut carbs, counted every calorie, or tried every trending plan only to see minimal change. That's because your body type acts like your internal GPS. If you ignore it, you're following the wrong map. Ectomorphs might waste time trying low-calorie diets. They need more fuel. Endomorphs may struggle with carb-heavy meals that send weight loss efforts into reverse. Mesomorphs can hit plateaus by training or eating haphazardly. Knowing your type unlocks smarter, easier progress. So how do you figure out your type? You don't need a lab test. Try this simple checklist. 1. Look in the mirror. Are your shoulders and hips narrow? Ectomorph. Are you naturally square or athletic? Mesomorph. Are your hips wider than your shoulders? Endomorph. Pinch test. Pinch your waist, thigh, and triceps. Do you have difficulty grabbing up skin? Likely ectomorph. Some skin, but also visible muscle? Mesomorph. Feel soft with more to pinch? Endomorph. 3. Wrist wrap. Wrap your thumb and middle finger around your wrist just above the bone. Can they easily overlap? Ectomorph. Touch just right. Mesomorph. Don't meet. Endomorph. 4. Diet exercise response. Find it hard to gain weight even when overeating. Ectomorph. Gain muscle just by looking at weights. Mesomorph. Need to fight for every pound lost. Endomorph. Remember, most people are a mix, but you'll notice the dominant trend. Let's get practical. Here's how to eat and train for your body type. Ectomorphs, the lean machines. Fitness, focus on weight training, compound lifts, moderate reps, longer rest. Limit excessive cardio. Nutrition, eat calorie-dense, nutrient-rich foods. Nuts, seeds, healthy oils, whole grains. Don't skip meals. What doesn't work? Endless cardio or extreme calorie restriction. You need more, not less. Mesomorphs, the natural athletes. Fitness, mix of strength training and cardio. Responds well to almost any program but needs variety to avoid plateaus. Nutrition, balanced macros, protein, carbs, and fats. Mind portion sizes and watch as easy gains turn into easy fat if you're not careful. What doesn't work? Overeating or neglecting cardio. Results can slip fast. Endomorphs, the powerhouses. Fitness, hit high-intensity interval training, circuit workouts, and plenty of strength training. Get moving as often as you can. Nutrition, tighten up on simple carbs, load up on veggies, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Monitor portions closely. What doesn't work? Crash diets or overly restricted eating? They slow metabolism further. Consistency is your friend. It's not about being better or worse. Each body type has strengths. Ectomorphs are built for endurance, mesomorphs for agility and strength, endomorphs for power and resilience. By working with your body, not against it, you'll unlock results and confidence. And if you're feeling discouraged, you're not alone. Many fitness influencers or before and after stories only show what worked for them, not you. The real secret? Personalization based on your body type. That's how you break plateaus, enjoy training, and stick with healthy habits for life. Questions for you. What body type do you think you are? Did any of the descriptions sound like you? Have you struggled to get results with cookie cutter diets or workouts? What's the biggest challenge you face with your fitness journey? Let's get a conversation started. Drop your answers in the comments. If you learned something new today, smash that like button to support the channel. Share your body type story in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community. And don't forget to hit subscribe for more science-proven health tips every single week. Remember, your perfect plan starts with your body. Stop fighting against your own nature. Balance, progress, and confidence are all within reach once you know your true type. Thanks for watching, and here's to your healthiest, happiest self.